This is your chance to remind your loved ones how special they are by saying Happy Valentine's Day! Our dessert menu item of the day is Valentine Hot Cocoa Bombs! Surprise your Valentine with these conversation heart hot cocoa bombs. They make the perfect gift and explode to a magical rainbow of colors in your cup. So be sure to make them and keep on watching. First, you are going to need a heart mold and your favorite colorful chocolate. These are the Mercken's brand chocolate wafers that I placed in a heat-proof bowl over a pan of simmering water. I prefer this method over the microwave for a smoother, shiny finish and to ensure that you don't overheat your chocolate. It will be slightly thick once nearly melted, so I'm mixing in about 1 tablespoon of Paramount Crystals to thin it out. It will be fluid and fall right off the spoon when ready to put in the mold. I'm pouring a generous spoonful into each cavity and using a brush to push it around at the base and bring it up the sides. The heart shape has more hard-to-reach areas than the sphere molds, so I like to go back and dab on some extra chocolate if needed. Now we can pop them in the fridge for 10 minutes. And guys, I wanted to thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. You all are family to me. And if you are new here, make sure to join us and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun recipes coming up. For this second layer, I'm taking some small globs on the brush. There is no need to use a spoon. Less product is more here. One more time, they go in the fridge for 10 minutes and then we can remove them from the mold. Silicone molds make this a lot easier since they are super flexible. I'm just gently pressing and stretching from the edges. I will be sure to link the mold I use down below. To assemble them, I'm warming a plate in the microwave. You can also use a hot plate, but I find this is easier cleanup when using several different colors like we are today. As you can see, the edges are a bit uneven. You're going to twist that rim on the warm plate for just a few seconds. This also allows them to seal properly later on. Next, we are taking our cocoa mix. Just make sure you leave room for all the yummy marshmallows. I found these Lucky Charms at my local cake supply store, but they are also sold on Amazon. Comment down below if this is your favorite part of the cereal like me. Go ahead and take a small amount of melted chocolate and brush it on top almost like a glue. Then go back to your warm plate and shrink down the other heart to about 1/2 inch. This will give the heart a more seamless look. For the decorating, I'm drawing on the conversation heart messages with a red edible marker. I'm using light pressure at the tip to make a thinner lettering. The best part is that there is no fancy decorating required, and it makes a really fun activity to share with your family and friends. I hope you make these homemade treats with lots of love, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.